Well, I think that you have to take things in steps. It depends on where these countries are. If you don't have a country like China has the capability to move up, but there are most developing countries are not at that level. So I think for the majority of developing countries, it's probably not feasible to think about cutting-edge research. They're better off to try to be fast imitators. That is, when a technology comes out and somebody develops it, try to figure out how to imitate that and get into the supply chain in some way and become a player in what's now a big global system or global supply chain. And then over time, they may be able to move up and actually invent something, or at least take the next step. So, for example, in the hard drive case, IBM did the initial research, but because all their information was public, the firms that were already in the industry were able to catch up with IBM in only 2 years. And 5 years later, because IBM decided it wasn't going to pursue this anymore, they were the ones who were the innovators. So, and Taiwan has done the same thing. It learned from the American, and well, not just the American, the French, the German, the British companies that all went to Asia, and they gradually upgraded their skills, and now there are Taiwanese companies that are creating their own brand products. In computers, it's Asus Tech, Acer, and in China, it's Lenovo, which got a big boost when they bought IBM's PC company, but they've been able to continue to innovate and do well, and they're now the biggest computer maker in the world, bigger than HP, bigger than Acer, bigger than anyone. Partly it's because they have the huge Chinese market, but it's also because they were smart enough to buy IBM and to stick with that design team that had originally created that product.